Hey Errol, how are you? Troy Brown here with TLC Web Marketing. Hey, just wanted to deliver on this custom video for you concerning your business. And what we're looking at today are the top 3 things that Google weighs most heavily when ranking your website on the first page of the organic search. And those 3 things are content, citations, and backlinks. So we'll just talk about those 3 things today. And believe it or not, Google content really is king in this day and age. Looking at your website here, you get some pretty good content. But believe it or not, they like to see 1,500 words or more on the first page, on your home page. You've got about 350 words. So that would be the first thing, believe it or not, would be to add about 12 to 1,400 words. So you had over 1,500, and that would be keyword-rich content. So the search I did was for emergency plumbing in Denver. I know you guys offer emergency services. You're not really ranking for that, but that's one of the things we can do is to help you rank and get ahead of your competition there. So I did a search here and did emergency plumbing Denver, as I mentioned. First thing we have is all the ads. And then you have your top 3 in your map pack here. So this is another suggestion would be to establish a good, strong GMB and get some Google reviews, strong business listing, and that will get you in this top 3 of the map pack. We do that for a lot of our customers. So under this search, top 3, number 1 is Roto-Rooter, then 303 Plumber, and 911 Router and Plumbing. So those 3 top competition for you as far as emergency plumbing, and we're familiar with Roto-Rooter. So just looking at I always look at the content on the first page, and so they've got a fair amount of content, quite a bit more than the average. They may be pushing around 1,000 words actually for this. One of the other things to point out for you is anytime you see an image, we right click and choose Save Image As. Okay, Denver van in driveway. So that's a description, but believe it or not, when Google crawls your website, it actually sees the titles and the tags in all of your images. So that's something else you can do to enrich your content. Number 2 in position is we've got 303 Plumber. Just look at there. Got some images. Okay, they've got quite a bit of content. Not too bad. Probably about a little bit less. I think they're pushing maybe 800 words, something like that. Make sure we're on the home page. Okay, so that's what their site looks like. So we've got their stuff fairly well. Denver Plumbing and Plumbers, Electrician Service. See, so this is keyword rich. So good to know about them. And then number 3 position here is 911 Router and Plumbing. Their content here. Not a whole lot, maybe 500 words. Just says trucks, not properly labeled there. And then your site here, VerTec. Again, just real quick, need to add quite a bit of content to beat out the competition. So again, about 12 to 1,300 words would be my recommendation, and that would help you out quite a bit. The other thing we talked about was citations. So if we go to the search and we just choose, let's go to Golden Leaf Emergency Plumbers. Okay, so they're in the top 3 of the map pack. So when we're looking at different plumbers, especially emergency, here's Time Plumbing. 303 Plumber, they were in there also. Name, address, phone number is the citation. So go down here. I wanted to show you a citation, which is name, address, phone number of the business app. There you go, name, address, phone number. So anywhere that you can put that on the internet, those 3 pieces of information for your business, That is a citation. So citation is a type of a backlink, but it's specialized in that Google looks at that and says, how many times does this company have their direct company information out there in the world? Okay. And then the third thing is backlinks, which they weigh very heavily. So if we take a look at the top 3 competition in this tool here in Ahrefs, we can look and see exactly what's going on. Now, Roto-Rooter obviously is a nationwide company, but when we narrow it down to the Denver area, we look at this line here, and the UR is the popularity of the website. The DR is the strength of the website or the domain. Okay, so they're very strong because they're a national company. Still good popularity, but very strong on the website. It's a 0 to 100 scale. And then they have 600 backlinks related to 123 organic keywords. Okay, and that'd be specific for around Denver. You can see they got quite a bit of organic traffic, and their value is 21,000. So keep those figures in mind. So here's your opportunity is between Roto-Rooter and 303 Plumber, this emergency plumber, 14 and 29, so pretty good here on the popularity. Strong website, but only 7 backlinks, and they actually have 0 organic keywords. So they're just ranking for emergency plumber, and they're in the 2nd position. Excuse me. Then 911 router and plumbing, 11 on the UR, 8 on the DR. So again, this is another opportunity between number 2 and 3 position. Only 5 backlinks for 46 organic keywords. Okay, got about half the traffic and half the value of the number 1 position. Not even half the traffic. Okay, and then if we take a look right now where your website is at, good 12 on the popularity. That's not too bad, and 1.6 on the domain on the website. So you can see that the website is what we need to bring up. This will follow, but this has to do directly with your backlinks. So again, backlinks, citations, and content. So if again, these are all of the backlinks related to your site, and if we look at the DR in particular and we sort it for lowest to highest, you can see all these double zeros here, and then these zeros. So these backlinks don't have much strength until we start here into 12 for the brown niche directory. So that is the bottom line, my friend. Hopefully this was helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and let me know. Be happy to help, but feel free to use any and all this information to help out your website. Thanks.